Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Pokegemz, where you give us 3 minutes and we guarantee you will leave happy. Check out this optical illusion. Is she spinning left? Is she spinning to the right? What do you think? This next one is really so nice. Every one of these goats just wants a hug. Check them out. This one was amazing. Check out this squirrel that spent all this time trying to bury the nut. And notice now how she fluffs up the flowers so no one can see her. Do you think anybody saw?
20 minutes later.
20 minutes later, there's an imposter in the pot. Who is it? It's a tiny little chipmunk. Bye-bye to that squirrel's nuts. Have you guys ever been to a soccer game with 68,000 people? Check out this huge wave they made. This is a beautiful leaf bug that we recorded. Look at how gorgeously he just blends into those leaves. And check out how he washes his face. That is just really amazing. Is this really how oranges are made? Listen to that sound. This is so satisfying. Guys, thank you again for coming and for watching and being supporters of our channel. Please, if you can, like and share with your friends. And of course, if you love this video, subscribe to our channel. See you guys on the next one.